is Muskan Khan. Okay guys, now I will take you inside the room. This is a boys' room. I will show you how the students are studying in current time. Can you come in?
Hello guys, I'm Tabul Gautam. I'm from group 135 MA and I'm from VN Krasny University. I'm here to tell you about the Moodle app. We're having a class on Moodle app and even on Zoom app, some of our classes on Zoom app. These apps are providing an opportunity to study in quarantine period. Let me show you something. Here are some of my pictures which I have taken on my application. Moodle app is very nice app. Our schedule is going same as per it was going in the university, and I would like to tell about video chatting, which is also going in Moodle app. Video chatting provides opportunity to get a face-to-face interaction with the teachers, and also about the electronic attendance. It is still going on because as we are attending our classes on the same time, we can take our notes with the video chatting. We can text our teacher personally also. Well, if we have any doubts, we can rank up our teachers.
Hello guys, I am Ankit and I am from VN Krasny University and I am from group MA 125. And today I am going to tell you about how we are continuing our studies in this quarantine time. As for the study, we have different platforms, online platforms like Moodle, Zoom applications, through which we have online classes with our teachers, and the main important thing is the teachers are giving their full efforts for us, and it's a very good way of interaction in this quarantine time. The only difference between the university classroom learning and this distance learning is the place where we are sitting now. We don't need to travel, so it's a very good idea to set up online classes as per the schedule too. It's not changed, there are no changes in the schedule. It's as per in the university, and we have full-time classes too. And if there are any doubts, we can have a re-meeting with the teacher, and there are chat rooms for the clearance of your doubts, and there's an electronic register for our attendance. Thank you.
Okay guys, now I'm going inside in the girls' room. Okay, let's see. Hello. Hello. Hi. My name is Muskan Khan, and actually I want to know about your study during quarantine. So what's your name?
My name is Bhavika Modi.
Okay.
I'm a second year student from KNMU,
Okay.
and right now I'm having class of clinical anatomy and operative surgery.
Okay. So can you please share with us your experience during quarantine? What about your lectures?
Yeah, actually, our university opted a new lesson for increasing our knowledge and indulging us in a particular apps with the name of Zoom and Moodle apps. These are the two systems for which we can attend online classes with our teachers. And at that score of time, just we can see that we are having clinical anatomy class right now, and we are having different options inside it, like participant chats option, due to which we can just chat online with our teacher and ask our doubts. And secondly, we have video chat option also, so that we, in order to give any exam module, we can just indulge in that activity properly. And this method is very nice because by sitting home itself, we can increase our knowledge and clear our doubts. In any way, we have the classes according to our schedule, and it's very nice because of this we are getting time for our self-study also.
Okay.
Like instead of going university, we can clear our doubts here on the online aspect itself, and in sitting hostel itself, we can clear everything. So we have modules, we have class tests, regular tests are also going on as usual. There is no problem related to this. And as you can see, our room is also sanitized after 1 hour. Most probably we have checkings every day from universities with respect to our temperature, with respect to our health. so it's none of the problem. Till now, from 1 month we are sitting here inside the hostel room only. We don't have any problem, and I hope that everything will be fine.
Hello everyone, myself Gauri Kadam. I am first year MBBS student pursuing the course from Kharkiv National Medical University.
Hey everyone, I'm Pooja, first year student of Kharkiv National Medical University.
Since when are you all under quarantine? We are under quarantine since 12th of March as far as I remember. And how are you all utilizing this time?
I'm making most of the time. I have started cooking for myself, which I don't used to during college day. And I also get lot of time for self-study.
Oh yes, Pooja cooks. And she cooks really well, and I don't. I follow this cycle which includes eating, studying and sleeping. How are your online classes going?
The online classes are going very well. We have our classes on regular basis according to our schedule, and the teachers are trying their best to provide us study material online.
Yes, our online classes are going really well. We are in contact with all of the teachers of all of the department. The teachers have shared their email IDs and cell numbers. So we also solve our doubt by contacting the teachers. Also, the university is trying their best to make online learning easy and fun for us. What is the fun part of attending classes online?
The fun part is I can have food during classes.
I can be in my comfortable wear. That is the fun part. It was fun interviewing with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we also want to thank all the ones who are here with us during these critical conditions. Stay home.
Stay healthy.
Hello everyone, I'm Neha Dingankar from KNMU First Course.
And myself Mansi Vishwakarma from KNMU First Course.
We would like to share our personal experience about online classes. When we heard about the online classes, I was a little confused as well as excited as it was our very first time. And then our first class held and I found it interesting and good. What about you, Mansi?
It was a very first and very good experience. These online classes really helped us to stay connected with our studies. And there are so many test series which held on Moodle app which shows our progress in studies. And our teachers are always there for us in case if we have any doubt. And I think it is the best use of networking sites and there is no wastage of time in traveling.
And instead of just sitting idle and waiting for the situation to get normal outside, so that after the situation gets normal, we'll go back to our normal routine. And within this time, but it's not that easy. It will take time for the situation to get normal. And within this time, like just wasting, like chit-chatting and playing games on our on our mobiles, online classes have really given us a good opportunity to utilize this time for something beneficial, to do something beneficial, which will really benefit us. So I think we should grab this opportunity and make the best out of it, which is only possible if there's an equal interest of participation from teachers as well as the students, and our teachers are really working hard for it.
And now it's our turn to cooperate with them and make best use of it.
Thank you everyone for staying there with us, being always there for us in such difficult situations. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you very much.